Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. As a professional makeup artist, the top question I get is about foundation. In this Kathleen Color Lab series, I will be testing top brand foundations, such as Fenty, Urban Decay, Giorgio Armani, Lancome Dior, and more, to see what they actually look like and how they wear without primer and setting powder. And if you are struggling with how to choose a foundation, check out my video in the notes below. Today I am testing the Futurist Hydra Rescue Moisturizing Makeup from Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder started with a product called Youth Dew, which is part perfume and part bath oil. That product took the company from failing to a multi-million-dollar company. But what about their foundation? Will that transform the beauty industry? Let's find out. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color Scale, I give this foundation a 4.5. The things I like about this foundation are that it has a breathable, radiant finish, a medium coverage, it hydrates, and protects with an SPF of 45. The things I don't like about this foundation are that it does have a sunscreen feel, so it's a bit sticky. To remedy this problem, use a brush or a beauty blender for best results. Also, the foundation smudges a bit, so you need powder and primer. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is all skin types. However, if you are oily or a combination, you might find it a little too luminous. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time when I review another top brand foundation. And as always, life is better in color.